वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और मैं आप लोग को बता देना चाहती हूँ कि दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी लाइक थर्ड वीडियो ऑफ माय चैनल एंड आई वांट टू फिल्म दिस वीडियो सिंस अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, बट आज का न्यू शूट, सो आई होप दिस वीडियो इज़ गोना हेल्प यू पीपल. So I'm Mansi, and I've just got over with my class 12th board exams, and now I'm preparing for competitive exams. So I felt the need to just come and guide those who have just completed their class 10th boards. So now you must be thinking ki, what stream should I go for? Maths, bio, commerce, arts. Oh my god, I know, I've been there. And it was confusing, but that is why I'm here, and I want you people to have a very clear mind when you choose a stream. And because these 2 years, this is going to be crucial on what stream you choose. It's gonna reflect, because if you end up choosing the wrong the stream, then you're gonna suffer the entire 2 years. Because if you are going for a regular schooling, so you have to give your unit tests every 2 or 3 months, unit test, and then half yearly, then boards. No, no, no. Then boards in 12th, but in class 11th we have to give like annual, half yearly, and class tests. So it is better that you take the opportunity that you're getting and think for like 1 day is enough for thinking, if you are like calm and focused, because this is about you, so you have to think, okay. And so keep your phone aside for, like, I will need you just 10 to 15 minutes of your time, and take a pen, take a notebook, take a notebook and a pen. This is a lip liner, sorry, but you have to take a pen, okay. And now you have to analyze what I'm saying, and you have to focus, okay. Mind you, I'm here to guide you, I'm here to help you, not to take your hand and push you towards one stream. No, I'm not here for that, because I'm here to help you people, because I know आपके सराउंडिंग में देयर मे बी वन चाचा चाची ताऊ ताई मामा मम्मी, your parents, your friends, your peers, they might just come and to tell you like, no, you should take this because it has more scope. No, that is not true. First of all, that is a myth. There's, first of all, you have to think for your next 2 years, not for your future. Because even if you choose, like, assume a hypothetical scenario, if you choose like bio stream, okay, but you, in the next 2 years, thought you think that it's not working out with bio, so you can obviously go for like a commerce, like commerce, a degree in commerce, like a BBA. You can obviously do that. So you have to think for the 2 years, for your mental peace, for your sanity. So for that, I think it will be better if you think for the next 2 years rather than thinking for the future, because it is gonna, you are gonna figure out. So I think you have maths, bio, commerce, and arts, okay. So now I want you to relax and think with me. Think, take a pause, think, because it's about you, my dear, okay. And second myth, people say ki aap, if you are scoring very nice in science, very nice in maths, no, that is not the correct criteria for you to choose your stream. No, that is not true. I don't care. You don't have to care how much you score in your 10th. That is not a thing to decide what stream you're going for. Even if you get 95%, you don't have to choose maths or science, maths or bio. Just because you are scoring good now doesn't mean you will score good in the future. Because the what you study in class 10th is basic salts, basic one liner reactions, and salt, sugar, lemon juice. So that is not what you're gonna face in class 12th and 11th, because it is like 100% more, 100 times more complex, I would say. And I want you to don't underestimate the intensity of syllabus and the complexity. because if you are going by this कि यार 10th में तो बहुत सिंपल था, I'm gonna figure out, I'm gonna do, no, you'll not be able to, because आपको इंटेंसिटी पता होनी चाहिए कि आप क्या फेस करने जा रहे हो. And the syllabus is so vast, and if you are thinking of going into competitive exams, which I think 100%, like 70% people will go, so then it gets more complex because you don't understand what is awaiting for you. So I need you to think, because I tell you that जो आप 10th में पढ़ रहे हो, that is gonna be 100 times more, harder in class 11th and 12th. So you have to be mentally prepared कि it's not going to be easy. Okay, and this is a crucial decision for your future and for the next 2 years. I'm talking about the next 2 years. Okay, so first we'll talk about the math stream. First, ask yourself a question that, or imagine yourself studying maths for the next 2 years, like daily, because you will not be able to score well if you are not studying daily a particular subject, because those are vast subjects. So I want you to ask or imagine yourself studying daily maths for the next 2 years. Okay, now that you have imagined, are you feeling comfortable with that feeling? Are you feeling comfortable? Are you happy? Do you see yourself happy there? If the answer is yes, 100% yes, 110% yes, then only you will go for maths, because it's not going to be easy road. And if you are getting like uncomfortable, आपको लग रहा है कि यार that is mentally too much for me, I'm not built for that much of effort, so then you should stop. There's no need, and you don't owe anyone an explanation, because it's your life, it's you, and you have to think about yourself, you have to take a stand for yourself. And I don't care what other people say. You have to build a mentality like that कि what I'm saying, I stand by it and I will prove you. ठीक है, आपको ऐसा mentality रखना होगा. So अगर आपको comfortable नहीं लग रहा, you are not able to imagine yourself studying maths for every day like for 2 years, आप नहीं कर पा रहे हो खुद को imagine, आपको uncomfortable, आपको suffocation सी लग रही है, so that is not your road, that is not your and I don't want you to make a decision in like 5 seconds, 10 seconds. You have to think, like take your 15-20 minutes, sit silently and analyze, think. For every stream you have to think. Okay, because just give you one day. What I'm asking is just one day. Keep your phone aside and I want you one day, you have to think for 15-20 minutes, like every aspect. You have to think like मुझे सब कुछ give up कर देना पड़ेगा, and I have to study maths आपको मैं बता रही हूँ, chemistry physics also have to study, that is also there, but I'm talking about the main subjects like maths, bio, that is what I'm talking about. So you think कि आपको comfortable लग रहा है कि नहीं, you think आप कर पाओगे daily maths, आप कर पाओगे, then only you go for maths. अगर आपको suffocation सी लग रही है, आपको लग रहा है कि I'm not comfortable in this, तो आप छोड़ दो. You don't have any pressure on you. It's क्योंकि आपको appear होना है for every exam. There's your relatives, your parents are not gonna fucking appear for any examination. It's you. You have to sit there and give exam. So for your mental sanity, I want you to think about yourself and think with a clear head. And now for the bio stream, ask yourself that can you genuinely study biology as a subject for the next 2 years? Ask yourself, because if your mind is tilted towards a particular subject, then your inner conscience will answer you that I'm not comfortable, yeah, I'm comfortable. So you have to give time to yourself and think, ask question to yourself. Imagine yourself in that situation, you'll feel the heat, you'll feel the pressure, then you'll understand ki I'm made for it or I'm not. So generally ask yourself that can I study biology for 2 years? Can I deal with organ systems? Can I deal with frog, cockroach, all that stuff? Can you deal with it? Then okay. If not, then this is not your pathway. Your inner conscience will deny you. No, you don't. Okay. So take your time, ask yourself a few questions, then decide. Because if you end up choosing the wrong stream, you have to appear for every examination. You have to sit there. You have to give the examination. You have to study. So if you are not comfortable, if you feel suffocated in that subject, then it's not healthy in the long run. It will mentally affect you, it will mentally drain you, and you will just end up hating the subject, hating the people who forced you to choose that particular stream. So that will be so tiring, and instead that you should spend just one day for yourself. Now the third one is commerce. So imagine yourself, if you are comfortable with numbers, a lot of numbers, then balance sheets, all that stuff, If you are comfortable, if you feel that yes, that is my way, that is where I want to, that is what I want to do for the next 2 years, then fine, then you can go for it. But if you feel like no, I'm scared of numbers, so that means no, that means no. Okay, you have to think ki I'm okay with that or not. That is the question which will land you to what stream you choose. Next, we are talking about arts. So you have to ask yourself that how much I like history, how much I am into history, and will I be able to study history for like next 2 years? If the answer is yes, then okay, go for it. If the answer is no, then don't. You have the other three streams, and you can question like that only over the next three streams, and you'll get your answer. And I think in any of the four streams, you will get your answer and you'll get your stream. If you think, if you sit down silently and think for a while, then I guarantee you, you get your comfortable, the stream which you are comfortable. And mind you, the people who are telling you that only maths and bio people are gonna succeed, are gonna, they have scope, no, that's a very big myth. You pave your own way, no matter what stream you choose, no matter from bio you are, no matter maths you are, commerce, arts, no, that is not the way to judge a particular stream. You make your own way. The only thing that decides you are gonna be successful, happy in your future, it's you. How much passionate you are about a particular thing, how much hunger you have inside you, that is going to decide your future, not math or bio. No, that is so misguiding. And I feel like if you are if there are parents, there are elder ones, they should be that much mindful to at least guide a teenager. But they always end up forcing bio or maths on their children, which is very sad. And it gets depressing to the students who are not willing to study a particular subject, and they have to, because it's no joke, the syllabus is no joke, and it affects you if you are not comfortable with it. So you have to be selfish this time and think about yourself. Give it time, take a pen and paper, write, analyze, write down every possibility I've asked you, every question I've asked you, write it down and take cross, decide, take one day and decide. Because you know yourself much better than anyone else out there. Any of your relative, any of your parent, any of your friends, don't give a fuck about them. Just think about yourself, take your time, cut off every negative influence which you are having, because that is not healthy. And आपको लग रहा है कि that will make you alone, I'll make a different video about it. I'll make a different video about it, but only you know yourself better than anyone else out there. So this you have to keep in mind. But if you choose in pressure or in like ego of yourself कि यार ये तो मैं कर ही लूँगा, यार ये तो मैं कर ही लूँगी, तो ये आपको लॉन्ग रन में हेल्दी नहीं है. ये सफोकेट करेगा कि यार आई शुड हैव जस्ट chosen that stream, because it's the matter of 2 years of your life. And I don't want you to suffer. And think about your plans, think about your, just enjoy. I want you people to choose any stream of your choice that lets you study also, excel in academics also, and also lets you enjoy at the same time. So that's a win-win situation, and you don't end up getting mind boggled. That is what my point of view is. And so think about yourself, take a stand about yourself, and analyze and choose. Again, I'm saying make a decision for yourself. Don't let any chacha, mama, tau, dai, papa, mummy, friend of yours to take decision on your behalf. Don't give them that much power over you, because they are not the ones who are going to sit in every examination, every unit test, every annual examination, boards. They're not going to sit in your place. You are the one who's going to face the question paper, the questions, and they are the ones going to ask why are you scoring less. So it's on you, and you have to think. Don't give a fuck about anyone. Don't care about what they say. This might build tension between you, but it's for you. You have to think. You have to be selfish. You have to be bloody selfish for your own self, because these people don't give a fuck. They just want your marks. So choose your stream wisely and take your time and think all the possibilities. All the best.